Have a pleasant day, everyone. For today's discussion, let us tackle about what is photosynthesis. Before we will moving on to our topic, let us have an exercise related to photosynthesis dance.
Photosynthesis is how plants make their own food using sunlight.
Photosynthesis, photosynthesis, photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Plants don't have a mouth like you and me. No, no, no. But they have to eat. Yum! So they spread their leaves so green to capture sunlight's energy. Plants don't have a nose like you and me. No, no, no. But they have to breathe. Did you know their leaves so green can take in air and make it clean? It's photosynthesis, photosynthesis, photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
But they have to drink, so they push their roots deep down to soak up water from the ground. Plants don't wear green hats or shirts or jeans. No, no, no. So why are they green? Why? It's because all plants are filled with green stuff we call chlorophyll. Chlorophyll?
Chlorophyll is the green pigment or color found in plants. It helps them trap light, and without it, there'd be no
Photosynthesis, photosynthesis, photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
Plants can make their very own food with sunlight, water, and air.
So good.
That's because all plants are filled with green stuff we call chlorophyll. That's photosynthesis, photosynthesis, photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis.
That's photosynthesis, photosynthesis, photosynthesis.
Let us know first the objectives. At the end of this lesson, students will be able to: first, identify the process of photosynthesis. Second, analyze the importance of photosynthesis. And the third, performs how to maintain the balanced level of oxygen and carbon dioxide. But before that, let us know first the definition of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, it is the process by which autotrophic organisms use light energy to make sugar and oxygen gas from carbon dioxide and water. Second, occurs in plants, algae, and some prokaryotes. Anabolic, small molecules combined, energenic, stores energy, and stored as carbohydrate in their bodies. Importance of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis and sun energy harnesses the sun's energy into utilizable forms of energy on Earth, a process that most biological organisms are unable to perform. ATP is used to power these processes, converts light energy into chemical energy in the form of glucose. Then, the process of cellular respiration converts energy in glucose to energy in the form of ATP, which is used to power biological processes. Another thing to consider, photosynthesis and carbon dioxide removal converts carbon dioxide into oxygen. During photosynthesis, carbon dioxide leaves the atmosphere and enters the plant and leaves as oxygen, a process which is ecologically and environmentally important in nature. Importance of photosynthesis, it is all about the energy produced by photosynthesis forms the basis of virtually all terrestrial and aquatic food chains. As a result, photosynthesis is the ultimate source of carbon dioxide in the organic molecules found in most organisms. Let us remember that the high oxygen concentration in the atmosphere is derived directly from the light reactions of photosynthesis. Prior to the evolution of photosynthesis on Earth, the atmosphere was anoxic. But solar energy transformed by photosynthesis is the source of countless vegetable, animal, and organic side products. Wood is very important material used as fuel and in many fields including construction. Paper, cotton, and other natural fibres consist of cellulose produced almost entirely by photosynthesizing plants. Wool depends on the energy sheep obtained from the grass and photosynthesis. Little sites of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis occurs in chloroplasts, organelles in certain plants. All green plants part have chloroplasts and carry out photosynthesis. The leaves have the most chloroplast. The green color comes from chlorophyll in the chloroplast. The pigments absorb light energy. Little sites of another photosynthesis. So a chloroplast contains a stroma, a fluid, grana, stacks of thylakoids. The thylakoids contain chlorophyll. So chlorophyll, it is the green pigment that captures light for photosynthesis. And now, let us see or watch the video.
Any plant needs three basic things to make food: sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. It's the root of the plant that helps extract water from deep under the soil. And also the roots help transport that water along with some minerals down to the stem and the leaves and the rest of the parts of the plant. Beautiful. Now, what about carbon dioxide? Well, carbon dioxide is nothing but a gas that is found in the air, right? Now, the leaf of a plant, on its underside, it has little tiny pores that are actually called stomata. Now, these stomata is where the carbon dioxide from the air enters into the plant. Right? Beautiful. Now, sunlight. I wonder where sunlight comes from. From the sun, of course. Now, the leaves that we saw, the leaf contains a chemical known as chlorophyll. Now, chlorophyll, the chemical, uses water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to do some magic chemistry and produce food. It actually produces oxygen and sugars, by the way. Now, remember those pores that we spoke of, stomata? That's where the oxygen leaves the plant and gets into the air as well. Now, the sugar that I said the leaves produce is what is stored in different parts of the plant as food. So, when most plants use this chlorophyll to do photosynthesis, and you see, this process is called photosynthesis because it uses sunlight to produce food.
Thank you for listening.